Introducing the Tohnichi DOT430I Torque Tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and versatility for various applications. With a wide torque range of 40 to 430 lb/F, the 430i tester caters to a broad spectrum of torque measurement needs, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty applications. The easy-to-read analog dial face, with a diameter of 140 mm, provides clear and precise torque readings, ensuring accurate measurements every time. The tester incorporates a mechanical loading device that enables smooth and consistent torque application, ensuring reliable and repeatable measurements. Designed to be set horizontally, the 430i eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the measurement process and reducing potential errors. Effortless calibration is made possible by simply rotating the handle, ensuring accurate measurements throughout its service life. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Tohnichi 430i Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, precise analog dial display, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly processes. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise and invest in this reliable torque tester to achieve accurate and consistent measurements time after time.